This car is proton persona problem is after starting the car engine check engine is on display meter. Now I will start the car engine and see what is the cause of check engine light on, how to reset check engine light, so watch the full video, inshallah you will repair, can do. After starting the car engine, see if the check engine light is on. I will check with the scan computer to find out what is causing the check engine light to come on. Checked with this computer engine code is p0703, brake light switch not plausible. p0703 can be caused by the following: faulty or misadjusted brake switch, open or shorted brake switch harness, damaged connectors in the brake switch circuit. First, when the brake pedal is pressed, I will check whether the brake light comes on or not. Check that the brake light does not come on when the brake pedal is depressed. See the brake light is not on, so I will check the brake switch to see if there is a problem. Where is the brake light switch sensor located? You can find your brake light switch by looking under the dash above the brake pedal. The brake light switch is usually attached to a small bracket that holds the switch. Brake light switch wire socket left open, brake light switch not visible. I don't know why or who opened it. The brake light switch is usually attached to a socket. See here, the brake light switch is missing, so I will test it with a new brake switch. I will connect this new brake switch socket and see if the brake light is on or not. After connecting this new brake switch to the socket, see that the brake light is on. Now I will connect the brake light switch small bracket that holds the switch. After installing the brake light switch, see that when you press the brake pedal the plunger of the brake sensor comes out, and when you release it, it goes back in. After completing the installation of the brake light switch, I will connect the cable socket. Pressing the brake pedal turns the brake light on, releasing the brake pedal turns the brake light off. Now I would first reset the brake light fault code with the scan computer. Now I will click for the clear fault code. This function is to erase all DTC freeze frame data and monitor status, condition ignition key on position and press enter to continue. Fault codes are cleared. To complete clearing, press enter to continue, click the read fault codes again. OK, done. Clear fault code. Now is no fault code. Now I will start the car engine and see if the check engine light is still on or off. After starting the car engine, the check engine light is off. After watching the video, if there is any problem to understand, then let me know in the comment box.